masasabi mo, you're here in this world, in this generation to touch lives?
Masasabi ko, regalo ka sa amin, Sir. Nung nagsimula kami, wala nang naniniwala sa amin. Pero nung dumating ka sa buhay namin, iba yung lahat.
Nagkaroon kami ng path, nagkaroon kami ng light. Kasi alam namin ito yung tama. And nagagawa namin siya confidently because of you. You always seek to protect me. You always affirm me. You always love my flaws. You always give feedback to me. And I love you even more for that. Ang laki ng iba. Thank you.
Wala naman ako ibang word kundi pasalamat. So, thank you, Coach.
And thank you so much. You will be forever my best friend. Thank you, Coach.
Maraming salamat, Coach Raz.
Thank you for changing us.
Time, money, energy, talent, skills, everything that you know that's your asset, you put in pleasure investment. The beautiful part about pleasure investment is you get instant happiness.
We can truly show our care for our people if we now give them the standards required for the benefits they're getting from us. Ngayon, alam na natin na may pinagdadaanan talaga yung mga tao natin if ang minimum requirement is excellence. Kasi kapag hindi sila nag-perform, alam natin may nangyari. Versus if we just allow people to be mediocre and average, may pagdaanan or wala, we don't know what's happening. Nagigets?
Nagagalit tayo sa mga empleyado natin, tama mali. Tapos minsan yung mga empleyado, feeling natin demanding. Tama? Pero totoo lang, ang damot mo kasi. Di ba? So, minsan, babalansin din po natin. Tandaan nyo ho, ang may-ari ho, sa madalas ho na pagkakataon, tama ho tayo sa paningin natin. Pero sa pananaw ng ibang tao, sa pananaw ng pinagmumunuan mo, baka mamaya may mga pagkukulang ka, pero hindi mo ito na nakikita. So what's the best way? Communicate it with your people.